So, this is my first video on the Bird scooter. So, here we go. I wanted to bring one down here. Where's Chris at? These things are amazing, honey. Oh my God. Ooh. The top speed is good. The battery life's pretty decent. If you gun it full throttle the whole time, it doesn't last as long, but they're fun. Top speed right now. All right, I'm done. I'm gonna park it. But it's very simple. All you do is lock and unlock it. Once you get that, I'm gonna park one right here. There we go. So hopefully you got the video. These things are fun. Thank you for watching.